Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that every beginner in tech asks: what exactly is software engineering? A lot of people think software engineering is just coding. But if that were true, why do big software projects still fail? At its core, software engineering isn't just about writing lines of code. It's the application of scientific principles to the design and creation of software. Think of it as a systematic way to take a business requirement, a problem, and design, build, and test a solution that actually works and lasts. It wasn't always this organized. Back in the late 1950s, software engineering was pretty much undefined. It was a bit like the Wild West of coding. People were just making it work without a real plan. But as computers became more important to daily life in the 60s, the old way of doing things just wasn't enough anymore. This led to what historians call the software crisis. Between the 60s and 80s, projects were constantly over budget and way behind schedule. The code was buggy and unmanageable. By the time a solution was finished, the technology was already outdated. It was a mess because the methods people used for small projects simply didn't work for big, complex ones. To fix this, the field had to grow up. It transformed into a formal engineering discipline. In the 80s, we saw the rise of CASE tools, or computer-aided software engineering. These tools helped with everything from business analysis and debugging to project management. It was the moment we started using tools to help us build better tools. Now, you've probably heard the terms software engineer and software developer used interchangeably. While they are related, there's a subtle difference. Think of a developer as being more creative and focused on specific features or functionality. A software engineer, however, takes a big-picture approach. They look at the entire system architecture, ensuring it's scalable and structured for the long term. So, what does a software engineer actually do? It's more than just sitting at a keyboard. They design, build, and maintain entire systems. This includes writing and testing code, of course, but also consulting with stakeholders, like clients, security experts, and other team members, to make sure the software meets everyone's needs. How do we keep all of this organized today? We use the SDLC, or the Software Development Lifecycle. This is the roadmap that identifies every step needed to develop high-quality software from start to finish. I'll be doing a deep dive into the SDLC in my next video, so stay tuned for that. In short, software engineering is the systematic, scientific way we build the digital world. We've come a long way from the software crisis to the modern systems we use today. If you're learning along with me, hit that subscribe button. Let's master these concepts together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.